Vamsi is our student of
14,
17 passed out,
18. Yeah.
17 passed out, and he is working as a systems engineer in Infosys Private Limited, and he is the most uh, eligible alumni to address you, and is at most intelligent and having some specific characteristics about their character and their intelligence. So I once again thank you, Vamsi,
Yes.
to
It's a
address
pleasure.
our students.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Thank you, and utilize all the students are utilized his suggestions and act accordingly. Thank you. The Stalin sir,
Yes, yes, sir. Can I start, sir?
can you share few words
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
before that?
Okay. So, good morning to all. Actually, it gives immense pleasure. So, because actually, first of all, I would like to thank to our management, especially our chairman, sir, and young and dynamic director, Dr. A. Mogan, sir, because both are giving the great opportunity to conduct such type of wonderful alumni meet in our college through webinar online mode. Actually, this is a great things for the upcoming students and now the present students, everybody is a good initiative. Then I would like to thank to our Dean Academics, Dr. M. Rajaya sir. So sir is also involved more because sir is the coordinator of the program. Sir is 2 or 3 days and 1 week before we are planning. So now sir is also working hard for that function to successfully to complete the function. So I thank to Rajaya sir and the management, director sir and chairman sir. Then we'll go to the meeting. So in our that today the alumni, Mr. D. Vamsi, he is the 15th batch student. He is the most talented student in that particular batch. So he is the now he is worked as a system engineer in Infosys Limited. So during that period, our college campus interview, two of the mechanical students are placed. So he is one of the student. He is very brilliant and disciplined student. He is always supporting with the faculty members. And moreover, one more interesting things about Vamsi. So during his 4 years, he is not using mobile phone in the campus. Also, I come to know because he's such type of wonderful character during that college campus. He is not using the phone also. This is a good character. And moreover, he is also doing research with our senior professor Abraham sir also. More or less, he is involved in academic activities as well as research activities and co-curricular activities. It is a wonderful student of our Adi Sankara history. Now he is going to address our student for their life. So what is the actually the today the topics? What is the challenges made easy by the Adi Sankara campus? So during the campus, during the 4 years, what are the things he's learned? This experience is going to share with our student. So definitely it will be useful for that our student. So future. So what are the he's going to give some of the tips. The tips will helpful for the student for enrich their career. So this is a few things about Vamsi. Now I hand over the mic to Vamsi. He will share the session.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Stalin sir. And thank you, Rajesh sir. Yeah. Hi.
Thank you.
How are you all? How are you doing in these Corona times? Hope you are all doing fine. Staying home, staying safe. Okay, let's come to our topic today, career challenges made easy by our campus. So today I'm not going to take much time of you. So I'm going to share my experience of my 4 years in my college. Good morning all. I'm Vamsi. I'm working for Infosys. I'm working for IoT, Internet of Things, and I've been with the part of this organization for the past 22 months. And in now, I'm make sure that my session won't be any serious. Let's make this session more interactive. I want you guys to ask some questions so that we can get share of information for much time, so that I can share more information. Thank you. Okay, let's take you back to my flashback. So I have joined Shankara College at 2014. So I completed my plus 2. at 14, and I joined. I'm like all the other students, you know. At first, when we joined the college, at those times, I feared about ragging, about my seniors in my college. So this is the new college. I don't have any friends in the college. I don't know anyone. So I just coming to the school bus, college bus, and when I first entered, first time, the first and atmosphere is about ragging. Then I came to know our campus is ragging free campus. I didn't see any, I didn't have any one experience from my seniors and anyone about treating me, not treating me well. So if you have any those kind of problems, you can contact Rajesh sir. He's always there for you. You can have his number also. Has been displayed on the boards in all about in the college. You can contact him if there is any kind of problems as a freshers for you from the seniors. And then let's go to our academics. So first year we have started college, faculty, teachers, everything is new to us. So it's all been time to make new friends in the college, coming from different part of the states. So I would like to thank you. In my first year, Rajesh sir is our HOD. He's dealing with M1, and Suresh sir for drawing, and Hari Krishna sir for English. These are the kind of, and Abraham sir he's also dealing with drawing for other departments. The kind of things why I share these names, because these are the kind of people not only with the huge knowledge they can share, but also they can share something else apart from the knowledge, like how the students should have to be, what is their next step of the after they complete their completion of their graduation, what they are going to do. They are very good with it. I hope you can use all of those times. Then, what is the most important thing that you can love in our college? I love the environment, trees in the college. The next most important thing is library. Love it. The library is separated in two different ways. One side you can find your knowledge, that is all about all of your subjects and everything, and the other thing is the wisdom, where you can find novels, the gate preparations. If you are preparing for MSA after your 4 years, everything you can find there, and lot of journals also you can find there, research papers and everything. You can hope you'll get more wisdom there. That will help you a lot in speaking in public, and when you're making the presentations, that will be a lot useful. And then I need to share something else, like not all the students are bookworms. Some also having a good partnership with the sports and games like cricket and volleyball, badminton, whatever they are. So our college has encourages those kind of players. Like we have big ground for playing cricket, and also badminton and basketball. And we hosted many J2 Anantapur level tournaments also. Some of my friends have won in those tournaments. And if you are a good players, you can also join them. I hope you enjoy those things also. Now just coming to the studies
He's
part.
doing. Yeah, but
Hello, please mute your call if you're talking. Okay, let's come to now back to the studies part. So studying is not enough when you're in the 4 years of your college. You need to showcase your skills, like your presentation skills and your creativity levels. So I would like to share one thing. Like in our third year, we prepared a special, it's a cart like buggy. We prepared it, and it needs a lot of time and preparation. We need lab, we need everything. So these are the facilities provided by Suresh sir. So he's always been with us, supporting in all those kind of things. So we participated at national level championships at Vishnu Karting, which has been occurred in Godavari, and another championship it is also occurred there. It is in Aditya College. So we won there. We have qualified for all the rounds, and another championship is on aerodynamics. It is about making a quadcopter, and we won at the championships. So I lead a team. So we have selected for IIT campus, IIT Delhi campus at that time. And one more thing, like we have our internal teams also. Like there are some internal clubs like AQ1, MISA, so where you can join and you can show your leadership qualities there. Because so when you came out of your college after 4 years, it is not the marks that is going to save you. I'm sure about it. It is always about your communication skills, how you're presenting, how you're going to make yourself buy by the companies in the market. Because when you come into the college, you will come as a raw material. If you want to tell in the mechanical language, you will come as a raw material, and when you're going out, you'll be going as a perfect product, a fine product. Only a fine product can be made by the companies, as I want to say in mechanical language. So this is the thing I want to share with this. So when I joined in the college, we have the first batch in mechanical department. So mechanical department in the sense we need to have labs, more labs. So those labs will be definitely attached with lot of cost. So my college management, I would like to thank my college management, because of course we have some labs, and other labs they have they would take us to the other colleges. So we finished
Omsi,
that. Yes, sir.
Omsi,
Yes,
Omsi,
sir.
please. 1 minute. Can you share any PPT and also your visible audio video also?
Okay, just a second.
Start video in your system. Some of them chat like that. Resource person is not visible like that. So
Okay,
can you? Okay.
yeah, sure. Just a second.
Okay.
I hope there is a light in the mic background. Yeah, hi. Yeah, are you able to see my screen, sir? Now, video.
Yes.
Yeah. So when come to our topic, yeah, lab. When we first joined, we don't have those many labs. Like we have few labs. Of course, we have some labs. So other labs, our college management has provided us to take to the other colleges. So we finished our labs. So they have supported in all the aspects. In case of like subjects, so everything. And so as I told earlier, so for making a card, it is not an easy thing to make a card like that. So we need more time. Of course, we need some lab needs to be provided. So these are all the kind of things that are provided by the college. I would really thank to each and every one of them. And the next thing is about is about internship. So in third year, so we completed our third year. So our college management has provided us some internships. Like I would like hydraulics, so I had joined in JCB. So some more time in the live work environment, and I learned some things how these JCBs and all kind of stuff works. And other things are industrial visits. So industries like Nelcash. So we went to Nelcash and also Green Tech. So it's a live work environment where we can see the castings and pattern makings, how the workers need to work, how the mechanical stuff on the all the things will go on. So everything you can learn. It's a really kind of different kind of thing that you can share. And the other thing is, so then here comes our final year. Final year in the sense we know the placements and the campus drives. And at 4-2, we got to know that Infosys is coming to the other district that we need to attend the drive. So at that time, for the Infosys drive, we need to prepare for aptitude, English, and the reasoning. So these kind of stuff already provided by our college. We have separate teachers for that from the placement cell, like Suman sir and Shava sir and Nishta ma'am. These are kind of faculty available to take care of those aspects. And of course, the most important thing I need to share here is when you're attending for such an drives, you don't need you not only need the stuff, you need the time, that how fast you can present it. Like it's kind of 1 hour exam that you need to complete it. So within that time, my college management has provided some guest lecturers. It's been about 15 days, I think, 15 days or 20 days. I didn't remember the exact period of time. So in those times, these are the kind of guys who with our college previously also, like 83 members of our college has been selected for IBM, like International Banking Machines. So they are the same guys who have supported us during the Infosys drive and placements. So gave us they share their knowledge in app point and also in English. So we and for every day in those 20 days period of time, so we have attended each and every exam. These exams are prepared by the placement cell. So we have utilized each and every opportunity that they have provided. And when we came after that, we have attended the drive. And the drive also total facilities is provided by the college management. And the other important thing is, so for these 15 days of time, they have provided these are the kind of people who need to pay some 4-digit salary per day 4-digit salary. So after we selected for drive, the college management has never expected a single penny from our pocket. That is the best thing that I need to thank for the college management. I will really love to thank. And then come to the culturals, need culturals like after end of the college. So we are selected for the college. So our 4 years college has been completed. So after completion of the college, we need to have some culturals like annual day. So annual day celebrations is the biggest celebrations that we have. This is the biggest celebration. Like it will be celebrated in the whole district. Our college has a special facility for it, uh, and you can enjoy a lot if you can share and you can support all this. You can participate in kind of things, and you don't have to miss the fun because fun is the most important thing in the college. And also one more thing I need to share for especially for the mechanical students. Like we have some APITA labs, two-wheeler, agricultural equipment, and also some CNC machines are there. And I think now they have provided some lathe machines also. You can work on it. Like these are the kind of machinery that come from the these are the industrial knowledge you can directly gather from there. And also you can if you don't want to go to the hardware, you can also work on design side. They can also provide that because there are some lab facility which is there in women's college. That lab facility they have trained you in CATIA, POE something, so you can get certified from them. You can these are the kind of things that really helpful when you came out of the college. And these are the most important things. I don't know. I'm just miss something, but yeah, I need to thank my teachers first. So because they are all the supporters who made us who made me to stand in this point of time at now. So from the first to last, I need to thank Rajesh sir, Suresh sir, Abraham sir, Sunita ma'am, and Hari Krishna sir, Usha ma'am, Shobha ma'am, each and everyone. They are all the I mean I missed some names of course, but these are kind of guys who can really support in the knowledge and everything as well. And I will end my session. I just need to get some questions from you. I don't want to it's a single person session which one need to talk, other need to you. I don't know whether some guys are listening or not. I just need to have some questions from you so that I can explain something more bit. So here I will end my session with with one of my most important quote: don't complain, just work hard and be flexible for the change. You will get your opportunities when you have time. So start with your time. Now I need you to ask me questions so that I can answer. Please go on. Guys, this is the best opportunity that I can use. You can ask Rajesh sir is also there, Abraham sir is there. You can ask anything you want. I can answer you. Don't ask me about college fee and tuition fee. I don't have answers. Apart from it, you can ask anything. Even you have any studies doubts, I can clarify it to you. Only for mechanical department. You can ask me. I think college management has provided like they are increasing the departments. They are introducing artificial intelligence and data science. Am I correct, sir? Rajesh sir, are you there? Am I correct that we are going to introduce artificial intelligence and data science from this academic year? Abraham sir is also there. I don't know. Hello. Anyone have any questions? You can ask me. So, and one more thing I need to share that you have the English language communication skills lab. Please make utilize the time where you are going to be spend the time in the lab. Please utilize that time. So communication skills are very important. I mean, they are important, not at all, but you need when you need to communicate with someone, you just need the communication skills. Because if you don't have communication skills, I'm sure about it. You can't do anything. The present generation and the present work challenges that you're going to face. Anyone have any queries? Please ask. If you have anything like if you have any ideas of creating something, you have interest in researching something, researching and publishing papers, you can always contact Abraham sir. He will always there to help you. He's a kind of guy who has knowledge in all the aspects mechanical thing. So he deals fluid mechanics, industrial tech, production from machine to the production technology. He knows each and everything. So if you have any idea, he can clarify each and everything there. You can publish if you want to publish paper. That will really help you a lot when you come to the industry. Research papers. Hope you guys. Anything you want? Please ask some questions if you have any queries like how the placement, how the industry is going on, how a mechanical student has been hired by the IT industry, how the work is going on. Anything I can tell you.
Vamsi, you are audible.
Yeah, I'm audible. Please go on.
Actually, you have to tell what are the what is the difference between in college and what are the difficulties faced for your industries. So you have to motivate the students during the academic
Correct.
year 4 years.
That's
So
the right question. Yeah.
what
Exactly. See, we are, for example, take the drive that we have attended. For example, we have attended the like Infosys drive on 2018 at February ending. So in the ending of the campus, we like everyone is good at something. Like somebody is good at quant and app and English. Someone is good at communication skills. Like these are the kind of someone is good at something only. But we need to gain knowledge in each and every aspect. Like when I attend the drive, the kind of guy that interviewed, he is from civil department. So I thought the HR is from some department industry. He asked me some questions how the thermal analysis is going. So how do you prepare? How do you design a striper blade? How do you design a wheel? What are the tests you are going to do? So you need the knowledge from the subject, and you also need the communication skills, like how to manage them when you're attending for a particular thing. Before all these things, you need to attend the exam. You need to qualify for the exam. If you don't qualify for the exam, you don't have the next opportunity for it. So if you want to qualify for that exam, you need to gain knowledge in each and every aspect. So if I need to tell, I have faced some drawbacks while studying for quant, and college management has provided, as I told, management has provided my guest lectures. They are the kind of guys, they will train you in each and every aspect. They will train you how to answer a question, how to answer this question within these seconds of time. They will share each and every. You need to utilize that time. You need to question them. You need to gain some knowledge from them. That is the first thing you need to get. And and also you need to have some knowledge in all the subjects also, because I'm pretty sure that while you're attending for an interview, they will go through knowledge, like whatever the department you came from. Apart from that, I didn't face any drawbacks from best thing I have. Any questions, sir? And one more thing, when you completed your college, these are the facilities provided by the college, and this is your opportunity to utilize each and everything, like attending the drives and everything. So if you don't attend anything, and if you don't place in something in the college and don't blame the teachers and anyone, it's up to yours. It's up to yours that you have to take care of everything. So once you came empty pockets out of your graduation, so everyone will point at you, especially your neighbors and your relatives. So make sure that won't be happen when you're coming out of your college. I don't want each and everyone to. You can have some ideas, like you can prepare for civils and you can get a government job, and also you can start your own business. That is also a good thing. I don't want each and everyone to go into the job itself. Some are very good place actually. Few of my friends like Vamsi and Kaushik, Anish, they are some players. They can go in there also. I can find some people you are also good at something. Not only with the studies, but something that you have your own. So you can train in them and make sure that you can utilize your time in these 4 years. And also GATE, the most important thing for mechanical students. If you try qualify, if you get good marks, I'm talking about qualifying. I'm talking about good marks. Good marks and good rank in the GATE. If you get good rank, you can get directly, you can get an opportunity to directly attend for an MNC in our own mechanical companies, not in some IT industries. And also you can opt for MTech. If you want to do something in foreign, you can also go there and do anything you want after the end of your college.
So Vamsi, then during your college period, what are the research activities now the students are? So during the project, you know
Yeah,
that mini project and the main project, the students are they're not involved for the project. They're going there from some shop they are
exactly,
buying. So
exactly.
instead of that, because
Yeah,
the research activities they plays a vital role for their knowledge
correct,
enrichment.
correct.
So for that you have to give some of the more, you know, because actually this is the what is the aim of the session is the alumni talk. So
Mm-hmm.
we have to, so what are the 4 years what you learn? So
Hmm.
because in our college you only the two students only getting placement
Correct,
out of 60 or something, you are
correct,
only two
correct,
students.
correct,
So then you have some special character, you are getting that placements out of all. So for that, what are the effort? Now the students are they just simply they join the institute. So after that, so what purpose they join the institute? They forgot. They're simply they're coming for fun. The
hmm,
during that exam only they're studying. They're not involving the research
correct,
activities.
correct.
So for that, you have to give some of the tips. How what way we can do the research? Like it will be how it will helpful their career. For that, uh, you have to give some brief things to our students. It will be
Correct.
so actually this session is only motivate. So
Hmm.
how we're going out from that college after completing the
Correct.
graduation.
Hmm.
So what are the difficulties you are going to face? So
Okay.
for that, now you will now start onwards. You have to prepare to overcome the
Hmm.
difficulties. When you are joined the company, that time what are the difficulties?
Yeah.
So they come to know means now itself they start means they can rectify their mistakes and problems. So for that, you have to give
Yeah.
some motivation to our student.
Okay. For this time, I just need to, I will share my own experience. Okay. So when I joined the college, I'm very good at my stuff. Like in my technical knowledge, I'm good at it. Like, so when you're preparing for placement, right, that is a different thing. You know, you need communication skills and you need something else because it is also not the communication skills. It is always about presentation skills. You need to showcase that what you have. They need to buy it. You're just a product in the market. They just need to buy it. And for these things, studying before exam is not workout. You know, studying before exam is only good. You get pass. You get some good marks at it. But the thing is, you just need to get some knowledge, even if you're going to study before one day before exam. And the other thing is, as I shared my experience. Sorry. So when I attend the interview, I told you that he's the guy from civil department. So when you prepare the day before exam, how it will be? If he's asking how you design a wiper blade, what are the what are the testings you will do when you prepare a blade or a wheel, anything, or an axial rod, for example, take like how a cantilever beam works. And also he asked me some important questions like how you will answer for these kind of stuff. You need to manage something. You need to tell them you need to tell them that how that you have some stuff. You need to make them buy. That is the only thing that you can do. And one thing, like when we are there in the college, we are really I am really support with learning quant. You know, I'm not only with I'm part of the studies. I've been also participating in the workshops. I have participated in all the national level, and I have been won at many of them. And so I mean, and also I prepare. Alternatively, I am preparing for GATE also. So it's been time. I have spent most of my time in the library itself. Like kind of guy, not only with the subjects. I like to learn. Like to read journals, magazines, and research papers. So me and Abraham sir were involved in preparing a special tool. It's some sort of tool, you know, cutting tools. It's a round cutting tool. So we have prepared. We need to publish that paper, but yeah, it's been we researched on it. We both have researched on it. So while when a student is just involved only with the study or subject knowledge, he will gain the knowledge only what's there in the subject. He needs to present himself. he needs to have some presentation skills. Like what he has learned, he has to tell. We need to tell something that what you have learned. Otherwise, there is no use of storing your knowledge inside your brain. And one more thing I need to share. So at the end of final year, we have a entrepreneurship program. You know, I'm the kind of guy, and I have spoken at my class levels. Like I didn't spoke in before the public, like more than 500 or 600 students sitting in before me. I didn't speak there, so I got an opportunity there. To they called me, and I personally went there, and I have participated. I gave my first speech there. You know, when you give the first speech, I know what are the mistakes that I have done. My English is very bad then. Actually, I can speak very well when you are talking it personally, and when we are speaking in the public, it's totally a different kind of thing. So why I am telling these kind of things is, so when you are attending, like when you came out of the college, so you need to attend for an interview. So when you are attending for an interview, the person that is sitting in front of you, he don't know anything about you. Whether you are a top or you're gaining 98%, 97%, you don't know anything. Whatever he's going to tell, whatever he's going to question, you just need to answer him. If you don't answer, there is no need for it, and he is not going to buy you. That is the first important thing. And yeah, these are the kind of things I have faced. I have participated in each and everything. Like I didn't participate in sports, that sport and games. I am not involved in them, but I have participated in presentations. I have given some paper presentations and like workshops and each and everything. So these are the kind of things that really helped me out in gaining the knowledge and also sharing the knowledge. I would like you also to participate in those kind of things. Maybe it will help you a lot. Okay, now the other question Stalin sir has asked, like what is going to be after you come out of 4 years graduation? You know, when you come, like after 4 years you came out of the graduation, you are not a fine product. I don't know. Then you need to attend for an interview. How you will attend? If you don't get any, I mean, if you are not able to place. So, for example, if you are the guy, you are going to get a job. I'm not talking about government jobs. I'm talking about some private jobs, some MNCs, ITs. So the outside environment is, there are kind of guys from the years back, like your seniors, super seniors. There are a lot of students are there. You will be have a huge competition with them. So if you don't get something out of your college after the 4 years, you're going to have a really tough times. Like from as I told, from your neighbors also, and of course from your relatives also. You need to take care of each and everything. Make sure so that you won't let your parents name down. Any questions? I need to have some questions from the students. I think I have some chat here. Okay, there is a question from Sai Kumar. What are the capabilities that we should have to hide company us? Capabilities. Sai Kumar, yeah, capabilities in the sense, first and most important thing is you need academic qualification. For MNCs, they will set some uh, percentage, like 75. For us, they put 75 percentage. This is the minimum qualification they need. Without, even if you have less than percentage, you don't have you don't qualify for the exam also. That is the first thing you need. And the second thing is, for these kind of things, you need to attend, as I told, the quantitative aptitude and reasoning unit, and also of course your knowledge in your own subject also. And the third most important thing, and of course this is the most important thing, is communication skills. When you, after you have qualified for the, you have good marks in your 4 years term, and also you have qualified for the exam, the most important thing is interview. If you don't if you're not able to communicate well in the interview, you are not going they will reject you. I'm sure about it. You need to communicate well, and you need to be have good with your own knowledge. Yes, the other question from someone, I don't have name. As a mechanical student, it is difficult to work on IT side. No, not at all. If you are a mechanical student, they will train you each and every aspect. So I'm a mechanical, yeah, I'm a mechanical student. I'm working for Java. I'm working for IoT actually. We are preparing some unmanned vehicles, like farming vehicles. We are preparing from internet. Um, we can drive any vehicles. So I'm involved in that project. I've been working in the same project. So there is no difficulty for me here. Yeah, you need to work hard, because these are the hard times that will get your own name and reputation in your side. I'm sure about it. If you are a mechanical, I think you are a mechanical student, yes, you can get to an IT side in an IT company. You can get really well, but you need to work hard for it. I'm sure about it. Saikmar, you want to ask question? Okay, I think you can unmute yourself. I don't find your name. Just let me unmute you. Is that you, Saikmar? Ask you. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, I can.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, no, sir. Call me once. Please.
Okay, bro. I'm Sai Kumar, and I'm studying in Adishankar College of Engineering Technology, second year from mechanical department. I just want to know that many of the students like who are studied in department of mechanical also are moving to IT side, and the companies of IT also doesn't need whatever the department they are studied, but
Correct.
they hide them and giving 3 months of coaching, and they are becoming as IT employees. And
Correct.
what is the
Correct,
situation of
Saikmar. Good
mechanical
question.
department after completion of their graduation from mechanical department?
You know, Saikmar, I will tell you one thing. Like, so I'm from IT. No, not I'm a mechanical, but I have been moved to IT. So there is one more. My friend is there. His name is Satish. So he's
Yes,
been
sir.
a kind of guy. He's been attached with mechanical stuff. He wants to work with mechanical. He don't want to come with mechanical at all. So what he did was he just wait for some time. Like after completion, he don't want to go for anything. So he didn't attend anything. He just wanted some job in mechanical side. So he has prepared for, you know, ISRO. We have ISRO. There are a lot of opportunities for us in ISRO for
Yes,
mechanical
yes.
students. But before that thing, you need to qualify in GATE. Like if you don't, if for example, if you're not qualifying in the GATE, they will put some exams, but you need to get knowledge of the GATE. Like what you have prepared for the GATE, they will put the same exam when you're attending the ISRO exams there. So there you can utilize that opportunity. So for example, if you want to go only for the mechanical side, that is a very good opportunity that you'll get. And the other thing is you will have some more and for example, if you, for example, I don't have names, but those are the kind of companies. For example, take our automobile companies like anything, but like Audi to Volkswagen. Like Volkswagen is the biggest company for us. So if you want to join Volkswagen, what are the kind of stuff they need? So they need some design. Like if you want to go design side, you need to certified on that. So you need to get knowledge on the design side, like CADIA, something, whatever you need, Hypermesh, something. I think now Hypermesh is on Mosaic. It's an up. So you need to get knowledge on that also. And other thing, yeah, you need to have some subject knowledge. That is the first important thing. Like our companies always accept the same thing from us. Like as I told my friend, he's working in the some company in Sri City. Like he's been getting more than 35K per month. Like he's working from the home, like going from the home. He's been very happy with his job.
And bro, could you tell me please that we are from mechanical department and you are working in an IT company, and how would you learn those things that belong to IT department?
Correct. You know, when I selected for first question, I have asked, like when I attending for the interview, my interview has finished. The interviewer has asked, "Do you have any questions?" So I asked him, "Why you are opting me? I'm from mechanical. I don't know anything." He asked me about some C programming questions. I told him, "I don't know anything. I know nothing about C and Java." Then I asked him, "So why are you taking us? I don't have any knowledge." Then he told me that we need people who can have a creative ability, who can think in different way. We don't need we don't need any your experience from what kind of department you are coming from. We don't need anything like that. We just
Okay.
need how you are thinking, how creative you. The same thing will be applicable when you are learning the programming. So when we train, so after I have selected for the company, then they took us on August. It's been 5 months of training. You will have more than 6 exams. You just need to qualify each and every one exam. Everything will be on programming. So programming stuff. You just need to qualify each and every one. After you qualify, you'll get the project.
And that means in that 5 months or 6 months, I had to prepare
Yeah, you'll be a
everything.
professional. You'll be a professional in all the programming.
Okay, okay.
Any
And
questions, Saikmar?
my point is that most of the people who are from mechanical department, even when we watch our chat in the comments, most of the people are asking whether mechanical department students can move to IT department. Why? Because
Yes.
all these questions are rising. In our department, after completion of our BTech, and we are not finding many opportunities like IT companies and other departments. And what is that situation?
Sai Kumar, one thing. It is, you cannot say that you cannot find the opportunities. Opportunities won't come to you at all. You just need to go and grab them. That is the
Yes,
first
yes,
thing you
yes.
need to do.
Yes,
And the other thing is, I don't know that the I mean, how you are preparing. Like you are in second year, right? So
yes, sir.
okay, it's okay, no problem with it. So when you come to third year, so make utilize of time. Like you will have some English language communication skills lab. I think Hari Krishna sir, if he's
Yes,
there,
sir.
I think he is going to take care of it.
Yes, sir.
He's really good at it. So if we can utilize his time and knowledge with that, with him, you can really will be good at your communication skills. And the other thing is, as I told, that you need to prepare for the exam. That point, you need to qualify for it.
Yes,
So
sir.
also for that, you will have the faculty, as I know. You will have, and also you will have some guest lecturers. So
Yes, sir.
another thing is, uh, as I know from this year onwards, MNC is also moving to the all the each and every college now. Like they want to some more guys. Like these are the kind of they are opting for artificial intelligence and IoT. So they need some more guys now. So if you want to go for IT, you will get opportunity. I'm sure for it. But opportunities don't come for you. That you have to for them. If you don't
Okay,
get,
okay.
don't
Thank
blame
you, thank
anything.
you.
Yeah. Good question, Sai Kumar. Thank you so much. Any
Thank
questions, Sai?
Mm. Even I am also thinking that whenever I entered, first year was just moved on, and second in from the starting of second year, even I was thinking that what is my future in after completion of my BTech. Many of the people saying that why you have joined mechanical,
Correct.
whether you have to choose it,
Correct.
CSE or ACE.
Yes, Sai Kumar. See, if you
And
join
that
the mechanical, the first thing you need to get in your mind is what you are going to do after 4 years. Like you are going to do for MTech. For
yes,
MTech, don't go. For MTech, you need to qualify for the gate. That is for sure. If you are, now, I'm not talking about qualifying, Sai. You need to get good marks. Okay.
yes,
So if you get some good marks, like more than 70, 75, you know, you'll get good opportunities in MNCs. That's so that you can directly move to the MNCs. So they directly can opt you directly to the interview. You don't have any exam also if you are qualified from the mechanical student. I'm talking about only mechanical. I don't know about any other branches. For mechanical, this is the first advantage we have. But you will have a lot of competition. Like there are a lot of people, my friends, there are a lot of them. They are writing the GATE exam from the past 2 years. They have been writing for getting good marks. I'm talking about. They're talking. So just from this year onwards, just put something in your mind that what you're going to do after 4 years. What are you going to do a job that is on IT side, or going for some like our mechanical side, or you want to get some government job, or you are going to prepare from civils, right, civils groups and everything, or you are going to forget any foreign studies, everything. So these are the kind of things you need to put in your mind as a dream or something. So once you come out of the college, you have some idea. So what if this is not happens? You can go through it. You have some way for it to go. So please have that in your mind, so you can get good things. Time.
yes, sir. And my option is that after completion of my 4 years, I have two options that whether I'm working for RRB or
Good.
rather than that
Good.
moving to IT side.
Yeah. RRB, it's very good government job. If you get government job, that we are really happy about it. Yeah. Thanks.
And further to gate is also required now.
I didn't have any idea about this. I'm sorry, I don't have idea. But yeah, you need to ask someone. You need to get the knowledge about RRB. I have no idea.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Any other questions? Yeah, prepare well. All the very best for your future. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Sharing your experiences and spending your valuable time for us.
Yeah. Sure. Any other questions from you guys? You can ask in the chat also. You can directly post your questions. I have one question from Sasvita. My goal is to work in Infosys, but I didn't do anything to get a job in company from now. What I do? Can you please tell me? I didn't understand your question, Sasvita. Can you please repeat the question in the chat so that I can read out?
That means she wants to work in an Infosys company, and what she want to do from now to get a
Okay.
job in that Infosys.
Okay, maybe she's from CS department. Okay, okay, I will tell you. I will tell you. So yeah, I'm a mechanical student, right? So that you are from CSE maybe. So if you are CS, you will have many advantages than me. So the first thing you need to get is you just need to qualify for the exam, and you just need to get some like they will put some graduation thing, like they will put some qualification marks in the 4 years of your term. Like so for us, it is 75% as I told. So you need to get some that percentage in with your hand so that you can attend the interviews. You really will get a job if you are prepared well. You can attend the interview. Kasvita, all the best for you. Join us in the future in Infosys. Next question: what are the okay, it is from someone. Okay, I have answered this question. Yeah, Sasvita, you're from EC. Okay, no problem. It is my friends are they are also from EC. I think they are also in the call. They are also qualified for the Infosys. They are here. Yeah, you can really get a job. Don't worry about it. You're prepared well. What are the possibility to get job for mechanical engineer in non-core side?
Vamsi, one more thing. Vamsi,
Here?
hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Actually, in our when compared to all other colleges, so
Mhm.
our college having some unique facilities, having the Andhra Pradesh Skill Development Center.
Yes, yeah, I
So
told.
even
Yeah. Mhm.
even though the student we are allotted the student for that lab,
Mhm.
they don't know what is the value of this the skill development center.
Okay.
Simply they are going in for enjoying. So you have to tell. So what is the actually in the unique of our Adisangara having that the CNC lab and two
Yeah,
wheeler, three
correct,
wheeler
sir. I will share with it.
lab.
I will share with them.
So how to utilize these are the what are the unique facilities available in Adisangara? So my as a HOD, what is my feeling? They're not utilizing the what are the unique facilities available in our lab. So in this regard, you have to advise our student or motivate our student. So the how to utilize our unique facilities available in our campus. So
Correct.
then only so even the other department, other colleges, even the polytechnic students are coming over here. They're learning something about they're developing their skills.
PNCs.
But in
Mhm.
our own students, everything available in our own campus. Uh, for that, you have to give some motivation to our student how they scrap the opportunity, the unique facilities available in the Adi Sangram. Moreover, we have very good facilities in that library also.
Yeah. Yeah.
But how
Correct.
to utilize these opportunities?
Yeah, I will tell you. And see, in the college, I love three different things. One is our environment, like it's been very quiet nature and the trees in the college. And the second thing is the library. I love library. Most of my times is been has been spent in the library itself. Like whenever I got some free time, I have spent my whole time in the library. The third important thing is in the AP, like we have some APITA labs there. So these labs are situated in our college while we are there. Like I have been part in the APITA for, I have learned CATIA. I have been certified CATIA developer there, CATIA designer. And also I have gained the knowledge in two-wheeler and four. See, as a mechanical engineer, you need to know some basics, right? So from spark plug to the engine, things going on. So how a machine works, what is the difference between each and everything. So you need to get some basic definitions from the live environment. See, for example, we have automobile engineering at 3-2. So automobile engineering, what you get, you'll get some theoretical knowledge. You know about spark plug, you'll get some diagrams there, but there are a lot of things. You know, for a bike, you can find multiple spark plugs, how they are working, what is the use of this kind of thing. These are the basic stuff you need to learn when you are a mechanical engineer. So these are the kind of stuff. If you're not willing to learn from the books, like I know most of the students not willing to spend their time in the library, they can go to the labs. You can spend some time there and you can ask them. I think those guys who are there in those labs, they're really stuck, and you can get some knowledge. Like you can ask, hey, what are the type questions? You can ask them. It is not about question, it is whether it's a good question or bad question. There are no such kind of questions are there. You just need whatever you get in your mind, make sure that is a valid question. You just need to ask that. That's it. Once you are asking the question, you're just putting your concentration over there. So once you are putting the concentration, you're going to get some knowledge. Like see, for example, Sai. So all the students, he has gained, he's been come out to ask some questions, right? Like that, you need to get something. Like he's gained something. It is not been the thing that you're going to be hiding somewhere. You need to chart. You need to come out and you need to ask. That is the first thing you need to do. The other things.
Vamsi, one more, my final question. So you have to address this. Vamsi, you're audible?
I'm audible, sir. Go on.
Actually, actually, especially in mechanical students, what their mind is. So, in compared to circuit branches, we are having the less chances, and because they are thinking the mindset is like that.
Correct.
So the
Correct.
CSE and ECE, the people are getting more opportunity. So even though we are in the core branches, we are getting less opportunity. So every student now they're fearing about mechanical department when we are joining mechanical department. So when I'm studying, when you are studying, also the mechanical strength is very nice. So
Yes.
now the students, the mentality of the student, they're so when you are going to study mechanical, the job opportunities is very difficult. Like that, the mentality of the student, they're thinking like that, not
Yeah.
like that.
Yes, sir. I would like to share an experience with them. Like about it. See, I joined Infosys at August batch, like 2018. I have joined. So in my class there are 96 students. Out of them, there are 54 people. 44 people are boys. You know, out of those boys, 32 boys are from only from mechanical department. So the total IT industry is maintained by the mechanical department itself. There is no kind of things like CSC kind of CS people are going to rule the thing. We are everywhere. Like I worked previous year. I'm in Pune. I worked for AT&T. So in that team we are kind of 10 people, boys. Remaining are women. And you know, in those 10 people, 6 members are from mechanical department. I mean, we are from different states, like from Punjab to here. Sorry, please mute your call. Yeah, so you'll get many opportunities in the IT industries also. So we are dominating everywhere. So don't worry. If you're a mechanical student, don't worry that whether we are going to get a job or not. We are ruling. We are dominating each and everything. Even IBM CEO, he's also from mechanical department. Don't worry about it. We'll get a job anywhere. Just work. Any questions from the students? You can ask in the chat also if you're not willing to come out. What about tuition? yeah, man. Triple students, yeah, they are also joined. I think your super, they are also in the call. My friends are joined. I asked them to join. Like, yeah, Triple, you'll also have a good opportunity. Don't worry about it. Say Triple, civil, mechanical, and EC. Not only with the CS, we are everywhere. Like we are also. Don't worry about it. We'll get. Don't think only about IT industries. So think about your writing civils groups and preparing for gate. So put everything in your mind. So once you came out, you need to have something to do. Don't sit empty and after when you came out of the college. Any questions? Please ask. I didn't want to sit empty. I didn't want to waste your time. Yeah, there is another question. What are the opportunities in your course side? You know, like for now, I'm not being attached with that course, but I will tell you some opportunities like for mechanical guys and also to be guys. Don't worry, you are also come attached with the fluid mechanics to us. Don't worry. I will share with both of these both of you people. You know, first and most important thing is we have opportunities, but the thing is you need to find them. I will tell you some companies. I don't have the names exactly. I'm not coming. Those names are coming in my mouth right now. But yeah, there are companies in your course side, but you have to find the opportunities here. I'm not being attached with that, but yeah, you'll get some pro jobs. I don't have any idea on the pro jobs. Of course, I'm a mechanical student. My friends are working. He's been working for some company in the city. I don't remember that name also. Like I'm sure that he's getting good. He's getting more than 35K per month. I mean, he has started 1 year back. Now it has been increased. He's been really good at it. Like in our local also, we're getting these kind of opportunities we can utilize them also. And from like if you want to say ISRO is also providing many opportunities for us. Like you need to use the same thing as a you need to prepare the same kind of thing like for GATE. Like you need to qualify for the exam. There you'll get the best opportunity. It's a it is from Central, so you'll get a good thing over there. Any other things? That is the thing I have. I don't have anything else in our course side. Any other questions? Please go on.
Vamsi,
Yes, sir.
is it complete?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, my thing is done. I think I'm waiting for students to ask any questions. If they are finished,
Students,
I'm done.
you have to pose any questions to our resource person. Stalin sir.
Sir?
Can you conclude?
Yes, sir, no problems.
One person is raised hand, Mr. Vivo 1917. After that, we'll conclude it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Is there any question from Vivo? So no more questions. Can you conclude, Stalin sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I would like to thank to our resource person or alumni, our student, Mr. D. Vamsi, System Engineer, Infosys
Yep.
Limited.
My pleasure.
So he's he's spending his valuable time with us. He is sharing his own experience. What you learn, what are the things you learned in our Adi Sankara? So what are the scope available in the mechanical? So even the mechanical student can opt to that IT field also. Now like that, he is sharing his experience. He is motivating our student. So really, I thank to Vamsi for his wonderful sharing experience with us. Thank you, Vamsi.
Yeah, thank you.
And
It's been my pleasure.
then I would like to thank to our management, especially our chairman sir and young and dynamic director sir Mogan sir. So for their giving opportunity to conduct such type of webinar, the alumni meet. So thank you sir. And then I would like thank to our Dean Academics sir, Dr. M. Rajaya sir. So last 1 week onwards, sir is also working along with me to successful to conduct this program, designing the poster, and every day sir is follow up the registration and participation. So really I thank you Rajaya sir, thank you sir. And moreover, I thank to Mr. Varaprasad sir, CEC HOD, and that is Zoom link and everything. Sir is also putting lot of effort for to successfully to complete the program. And moreover, our department faculty is also a backbone. They're supporting me to complete this webinar program, this alumni meet. I thank to our department faculties also. And moreover, actually, especially my special thanks to the alumni. So 2 batches of mechanical, they are spending their valuable time with us. So
Sir,
my
Stalin
heart.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Stalin.
Sir, tell me, sir. Sir, tell me. Sir, I am audible. Hello, sir.
Okay, Vamsi.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
you.
Sir. Thank you so much. Yep.
Now, end of this session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you all, guys.
Okay, thank you.